Howdy folks, decided to make a video here about toilets. We have this American Standard, it's a Champion 4, and we've had it for, I don't know, a handful of months, and out of the blue, started leaking. Well, not really leaking, but you hear it running like it's filling back up again. And I went online, and it seems to be an issue with the Champion 4, where the flapper has a problem, so I contacted them, and I'm waiting to hear back from them, but I don't have a receipt as far as I can find, so that may not be anything I can handle. But I went online, I got this bad boy, a 2-pack. Actually, I might be wrong, it might be a 3-pack for like $9. And we're gonna see how easy it is, based on looking at videos, to make a quick switch out of this seal and see how it works. And don't mind me if it looks unprofessional, because I am not a professional at plumbing or at videoing, but here we go. So here's the toilet. I'm gonna lift the lid up. And I've already taken the liberty of draining it. And if you see, there's, this is the model. It's 4215A. And it's the new version, where if you look, this here does not have something that unscrews. A lot of them have this thing here, which unscrews. So what I'm gonna do is, I watched something really quickly today, and it looks like you just lift it up, unscrew the thing underneath, and we're gonna give that a shot. And this water, as I've been told, is very sanitary, so, because it's not come out of the toilet. And I've already done most of the unscrewing, and boop, boop, there we go. Got that bad boy off. Okay, so there goes my glove. That's okay. So this is the inside. This right here is the seal, and I guess it's bad. I don't know. I mean, people show like different bubbles on it and stuff, but my understanding, and a lot of people take this off, but I'm going to try without taking this off and see. And supposedly it's as easy as turning. Boom, got that. This may be easier. This might be one of the easier things I've ever done. So here's the seal. I don't see any issues with it, but we're going to find out here in a minute. I'm going to put this back down. You can see this right here is the part that unscrews. So let's give this seal a try. So I'm taking this and I'm putting this on here, and I'm just going to pop it on there. It looks like it goes. So hey folks, here's part 2. Unfortunately, like I mentioned in the first one, I'm not a professional photographer or video, you know, I just wanted to make a video because I couldn't find what I was looking for, except for one video, and it was like kind of piecing a few together. But anyway, that's the part you saw earlier. I put that new seal on, and where it was cut off. And I took it and I screwed it onto that little piece that was in there, sitting there. It just sat there nice and easy. And then now it's got to unscrew a little bit. Oh, there we go. Got to make sure that's nice and straight down like that. And look at that. Boom. By the way, I've already I had to delete a bunch of videos to make another one and upload the other one, and in that time frame of the 2 hours, this didn't leak once. So what I did took literally 2 minutes, even though it took hours on the video, and turn the water back on, and as you can see, it's filling up, and for $9 for 3, so $3, $4 worth of materials, fixed the problem. I wouldn't have called the plumber. I probably would just turn the water off and on, since this is our second bathroom that we don't really use that often. I would just, but so much easier. $3 fixed. Now, I'm definitely going to get a hold of American Standard, because I need to make sure that they know that yet another toilet had this leaking problem where that seal, this seal here, well, the other one was clear, but they get a little bubbly stuff on them, and when it recesses, with the water pressure keeping it there, just a tiny bit of a gap, just enough for the water to go in there, it leaks back into the toilet, and then it was running every 10-15 minutes. Like I said, it's been a couple hours, and I think we got a good job. Anyway, Thank you. Hopefully I can slice this together, or you're going to see it as part 2. But either way, take a look at it.